Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the U.S. Consulate in Chiang Mai, Thailand. As we discussed recently in another video made prior to this one, the consulate had noted that they were unable to provide consular services, and we did kind of an alert on that. This is an update on that. I got an email from the embassy, and quoting directly, effective immediately, the U.S. Consulate General in Chiang Mai has resumed all consular services. If you are a U.S. citizen in northern Thailand in need of emergency assistance, please call the Chiang Mai American Citizen Services Unit 053-107-700. If you have an appointment for or are seeking routine services in Chiang Mai, please email acschn@state.gov. For visa assistance and information, please email conschiangmai@state.gov. We apologize for any inconvenience the temporary suspension of services may have caused. So, yeah, looks like they're getting reopened up there in Chiang Mai. As we've noted in other videos, Chiang Mai does provide some visa services, although it's pretty limited, primarily to non-immigrant visas like U.S. tourist visas, U.S. student visas, for example. The things like the K-1 fiancé visa, even though it is a non-immigrant visa, generally speaking, that's going to be processed here in Bangkok because it will fall under the immigrant visa unit. Similar can be said for K-3 spousal visas, as well as CR-1 and IR-1 immigrant spouse visas, which again are generally going to be processed down here. Again, the business visa unit as well is processing most of the business-related cases. For example, things like E-2s or L-1s. Those are going to be processed through the embassy here in Bangkok. But I'm pretty sure that for folks living up in Chiang Mai, especially American citizens, this is definitely a relief that things are back open for things like, as noted, American Citizen Services is back to processing things like, one would assume, things like passport applications, renewals of passports, etc. So definitely good news for folks that are up in Chiang Mai. It's good to see things are getting back on an even keel at the U.S. Consulate in Chiang Mai, Thailand.